The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Seminole County and east central Oklahoma, northeastern Pottawatomie County and central Oklahoma, until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Earlsboro, moving east-northeast at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Shawnee, Seminole, Earlsboro, Cromwell, Johnson, Little, Centerview, and Harjo. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.